Mom,
Hi. We're here. We're
on our
on
way
our
to
way
my
to
bazaar.
to
My,
the stall of
me and my
my
friend's bazaar.
baby daughter and her friends. I'm so tired. But it's
Calling me
okay.
baby, Mom.
Mother support. Darling. She doesn't want to be called baby. So darling na lang.
Ayun, open.
Since she is my darling princess. And I brought my own chair. Of course.
Pagod na siya, sis.
Would you believe? This place.
Hooray! Hooray!
Show the Sundance, darling. Show that Manila Sundance.
Come through till
Make it
longer, Ate
said.
Shout out sa mga ate ko. My wicked
We miss
sisters.
you. To all my daughters, we miss you.
Yung mamas ko. Sa mga ate ko. Mama, ano ba? Maakit pa.
No.
Akyat, 5th floor.
Really?
Oo.
You ask him.
Oo, dun yung bazaar, syempre.
Nawala pa. Oh, bazaar na nga niya. Nawala pa.
Sa taas yun.
It's okay. Show the places.
Umiyak ka mo naman.
Oh, may away na. Aga pa. Yan ang profile pala. Ganda ni Mami. Ako, God na naman si Papa mo. Sabi niya hindi ako maganda. Tapos wala daw mag-view. Mag-view ka
Ma!